My name is Nicolas. I'm a product manager at Boreas Technology, and I'm here to present our new solid-state and slider button solution for smartphones. The Boreas solid-state and slider button solution enables smartphone OEMs to innovate and redefine what is possible to do with a smartphone. Our solution leverages piezo haptics' high responsiveness and large bandwidth to generate rich and immersive touch feedback, and 4 sensors to turn the button and volume rockers into interactive surfaces that can detect advanced gestures such as clicks, taps, and swipes. Let's see how smartphone OEMs can leverage Boreas solid-state and slider technology to create immersive experience that every customer will love. Throughout history, every new HMI technology required a new design approach to have a meaningful impact on user experience. For example, the mouse started the evolution from a command line interface to window-based interface in PCs. Touchscreen started the evolution from keyboard-based interface to touch user interface on a smartphone. The same pattern will apply to solid-state buttons and sliders. Designers need to rethink how to use buttons on a smartphone to leverage the new technology. Here's our vision to get OEMs started. Typical Android phones use an asymmetrical button layout where the volume rocker and power buttons are located in the top half of the phone. To fully leverage solid-state buttons, we believe using a symmetrical layout where a power button stays where it is and a volume rocker on each side of the phone gives more freedom to designers. The phone keeps the same experience users love in portrait mode, but offers much more potential in landscape. Smartphone OEMs are investing massive resources into mobile photography, and solid-state and slider buttons can help improve picture quality. While better sensors and lenses will constantly improve picture quality, there's still one missing feature that makes DSLR camera better than smartphones: ergonomics. Having rapid and easy control over critical parameters such as aperture and shutter speed can be the difference between a blurry and a perfectly clear picture. Using the Boreas solid-state and slider button, the symmetrical layout brings the high-end ergonomics of professional DSLR cameras to smartphones. Under the right index finger, the slider can be the aperture or shutter speed control wheel. Once ready, the same slider can act as a 2-level shutter button with custom haptics to make it feel like a high-end camera. The left slider controls the zoom to get the perfect composition. You'll have another key selling point for smartphones is their gaming capabilities. There are more than 3 billion active mobile gamers worldwide, and most of them expect to have a similar experience on every platform, including their smartphone. Boreas solid-state and slider buttons can also improve gaming performance on smartphones. Using the same Boreas solid-state and slider buttons and the symmetrical button layout, the smartphone can now feel like a high-end gaming controller. Use the piezo haptics to turn the rockers into adaptive triggers and keep the touchscreen to replace the controller's joystick. Playing your favorite game on your smartphone will never have been this fun. These are only 2 examples of what designers can do with Boreas solid-state and slider buttons. We are sure designers can leverage the technology to create new immersive experiences and push the limits of mobile computing.